Keeping up with shedding cats is easier than ever thanks to robot vacuums. The newest models in 2025 deliver stronger suction, smarter mapping, and self-emptying docks that even wash mop pads automatically. In this countdown, we highlight the top 5 best robot vacuums for cat hair, chosen for their suction power, brush design, navigation, and overall value. Each pick offers something unique so you can find the perfect cleaning companion for your furry friend. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 is designed with pet owners in mind, delivering a powerful clean across different surfaces while keeping convenience at the forefront. Its high-efficiency motor ensures that cat hair, dander, and fine dust are pulled out of carpets and hard floors alike. The rubber brush roll is engineered to resist tangles, which is a major advantage for homes with shedding pets. Matrix Clean navigation is another standout, moving in deliberate, overlapping rows to make sure no area is missed, while the innovative Air Blast Edge cleaning system pushes fur and debris away from baseboards so the suction path can pick it up efficiently. This model also integrates a sonic mop pad that vibrates to scrub away dirt and stains. Unlike many robot mops, the pad automatically lifts when it detects carpet, ensuring rugs remain dry while still benefiting from effective vacuuming. The smart mapping feature lets you label rooms, create zones, and even adjust suction power by room through the companion app. Voice assistant compatibility makes on-demand spot cleaning even easier. Pros: overlapping cleaning paths ensure full coverage. Air Blast Edge cleaning pushes fur into the suction path. Sonic mop pad scrubs and lifts automatically on carpets. Self-empty base with HEPA filtration lasts up to 60 days. Customizable maps and on-demand cleaning via app or voice assistant. Cons: large base needs floor space. Replacement bags at ongoing cost. App may occasionally lag.
Number 2. Roborock Q5 Pro Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus strikes a fine balance between price and performance, making it a favorite for pet owners who want strong suction and smart features without splurging on premium models. One of its key strengths lies in its dual rubber brush system, which is specifically designed to resist tangling and capture more hair. When paired with its 5,500 pascals suction power, the Q5 Pro Plus effectively lifts cat fur from rugs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach crevices, ensuring a more thorough clean than many entry-level options. This model uses LiDAR mapping to create accurate home layouts. With the app, you can divide the home into rooms, set cleaning schedules, and create no-go zones, particularly useful for keeping the robot away from cat food bowls or litter boxes. Pros: dual rubber brushes and strong suction lift fur effectively. Low profile cleans under furniture where cats hide. Self-empty dock reduces bin emptying. Detailed mapping with virtual walls and schedules. Adjustable suction and cleaning sequences via the app. Cons: bumper sensors can hit furniture, mopping cloth doesn't lift on carpets, and setup takes time to create accurate maps.
Number 3. Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro Omni is one of the most advanced robot vacuums currently available, engineered to deliver exceptional cleaning power and automation. Its suction power reaches up to 16,600 PA, which is far stronger than most competitors and more than enough to pull embedded hair and dirt from carpet fibers. The zero-tangle technology ensures that even with powerful suction, pet hair won't wrap around the brush roll, saving you from constant maintenance. One of its standout features is the dual rotating mop rollers. These provide a deep scrubbing action on hard floors, effectively removing dried-on messes while automatically lifting on carpets to prevent moisture damage. Combined with AI obstacle avoidance, the X9 Pro smoothly navigates around food bowls, water dishes, toys, and other pet-related obstacles with impressive accuracy. The Omni station takes automation to the next level by not only emptying the dustbin, but also refilling the water tank, washing the mop rollers, and drying them to prevent odor or mildew. This minimizes hands-on upkeep and makes the vacuum nearly self-sufficient. A triple lift system helps it cross thresholds and transition smoothly, while the app allows you to fine-tune suction, mop pressure, and room-specific cleaning schedules. Pros: extremely high suction removes embedded hair. Dual rotating mop rollers lift on carpets. Omni Station empties dust and washes and dries mop pads. AI navigation avoids obstacles. Adjustable cleaning settings and flexible scheduling. Cons: big, heavy dock takes space and costs extra. Self-cleaning can be noisy, and premium price may not fit all budgets.
Number 4. Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Q Revo is an excellent blend of vacuuming power, intelligent navigation, and advanced mopping technology. Built with pet households in mind, its dual spinning mop pads rotate rapidly to scrub away stains and grime while automatically lifting when carpets are detected. With LiDAR navigation, the Q Revo builds precise maps of your home and supports features like virtual barriers, multi-floor mapping, and room-specific cleaning. This allows you to schedule cleans in certain rooms or restrict access to areas like litter box zones. Pros: dual spinning mops lift on rugs. Self-empty dock washes and dries mop pads and refills water. Accurate LiDAR maps for customized cleaning. Strong suction and anti-tangle brush. Multiple floor maps and adjustable mop settings. Cons: no camera, relies on basic sensors. Dock height may limit placement. Costs more than entry-level models.
Number 5. AIRROBO T25 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The AIRROBO T25 Plus proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a capable robot vacuum that handles pet hair effectively. With 5,500 PA suction and a rubber brush that resists tangling, this vacuum is well equipped to handle fur buildup on both carpets and hard floors. Carpet detection technology automatically boosts suction when it senses rugs, ensuring deeper cleaning in the areas that need it most. The mop pad, however, must be removed and washed by hand, which adds some manual upkeep. Pros: 5,500 PA suction and tangle-free brush lift fur. Carpet detection increases power when needed. Self-empty base holds a month of debris. Laser mapping with multi-floor support and virtual walls. Long battery life and adjustable water flow. Cons: build quality is basic, app can lag during setup, mop pad requires manual cleaning. Each of these robot vacuums offers a unique blend of suction power, smart navigation, and pet-friendly features tailored to tackling cat hair. Whether you want top-tier automation or a budget-friendly option, there's a model here to match your needs. With the right pick, keeping your home clean around shedding pets becomes effortless and worry-free.